Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I have an important setting to share with you guys that you should enable right now if you want to save your watch from getting lost or stolen. Also I have giveaway of this amazing design from Monkey's Dream developer, so don't forget to check it out. So this setting basically sends you a notification whenever you leave your Galaxy watch behind at an unknown place. In order to turn it on, go to Wearable app on your phone. Tap on Find My Watch. Here you might have to download few extra things in order to enable Samsung Smart Things. As you can see, this is my watch. Tap on More and now you will see this option that says Notify when left behind. Just turn it on. Also, I'll recommend to add your home location here so it will not notify you when you leave your Galaxy watch at home. Check out this option and let me know in the comments if you had enabled it or not. Okay, now moving on to the watch face. This is Dream 134, available on Google Play Store. This face has kinda cyberpunk vibes with purple and blue color combination. The rest of the background information has step counter, sunset sunrise indicator, day, date, and here is the weather information. Talking about customization, first you can change background color like this. We have many color options here that you can try out. Then you can change style of watch hands, highlighted here. In the end, we have few settings for complications in the background. So check out this face and don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be posting more cool content soon. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.